Hello students of IP1, 2, and 3. I hope you all enjoyed the last lesson and are now file saving masters. Okay, today I want to teach you a very important skill that you will use in many of my lessons and throughout the rest of your life. You're going to use this a lot. Today's lesson is how to use a web browser. Some of you probably know what a web browser is. For those that don't know, I will tell you. A web browser is the application that lets you visit websites on the internet. So if you have a favorite gaming website that you like to go to, the web browser is what lets you go there. Okay? Let's look at a few different web browsers. On my computer, you can see 3 of them right here. The first is Google Chrome. The second, Microsoft Edge. And the last one is Firefox. Today we're going to look at Google Chrome. So how do we open it? To do that, you can double click on the icon. So 2 times. Click. And then you guys see it is open. Alright. There's another way. We can use the search box. And right here, if I type in Google Chrome, then right here you can click on it and it will open the web browser. And then the third way is if you find the icon in the taskbar, you can click it and it will open the browser. Okay? So today I want to show you guys 10 different parts of the web browser. And I'm going to type them on this page so that you guys can read the different parts of a web browser. The first I want to show you is address bar. Everybody say address bar. Okay, let's go over here. Can you find the address bar? If you said it's right here, you are correct. That's where we type in the website address. This is the name of the website. So, today I'm going to type in abcya.com. That is a website address. When I press enter, it will take us to the website. Okay? This is a great website that has many games for you to play. And these games are good. They are educational. They will make you smart and they will help you to learn. So you should all try to go to this website. You guys can see different grades. If you're in grade 1, you can see games for you here. Or grade 2, you can click here. Okay? The next one I want to show you is the back button. What does the back button do? If you said it lets you go back, you are correct. Alright, let's go to ABC and let's press the back button. This is the back button right here. When I press it, it takes us back a page. If you want to go, if you didn't want to go back, you can press the forward button and it will take you forward to the website. Okay? So if you're ever in a page and you want to go to the last page, press the back button and it will take you back. The next one I want to show you is the search bar. Okay? Can you find the search bar on this page? Alright, the search bar is right here. Okay? It's a little bit different. When I type into it, it goes to the address bar, but it's going to do a search. If I type ABC Ya and I press enter, now it will take us to a search for many different websites. When you see these purple or sometimes blue words like this, these are called links and they will take you to different websites. Okay? So when you search, you're not going to go straight to a website. If you want to go straight to a website, you should type in the address bar. Okay, let's go back again. And then let's learn about the next one. Next, I want to teach you about bookmarks. Can you find the bookmarks? We can find them on this page as well, or the other one. Alright, where are the bookmarks? Alright, if you said they are right here, you are correct. These are our bookmarks. Bookmarks are buttons that let us go to a page that we saved, that we wanted to go to, okay? So, for instance, if I want to go to Cat Bounce, I can click on this Cat Bounce bookmark right here. Let's do that. But first, let's open a new tab, and then let's go to Cat Bounce. When I click it, we go to the Cat Bounce website, catbounce.com, and we see many cats bouncing. Okay? So, that's what a bookmark can do. If you want to create a bookmark, you can do that. So if we go to abcya.com, and if we love this website, we can make a bookmark. To do that, we click on the star right here. And then we can add a bookmark. We give it a name, and then we choose where we want it to go right here. When I press done, now you guys see there's a new bookmark. So if I close this and I open another one and I want to go straight there, I can just click and it will take me right to the website. Okay? So we can close this one for now, and we can go back to Cat Bounce or here. Alright, the next I want to show you is refresh. Everybody say refresh. Refresh is a button that will reload your web page. So let's look at Cat Bounce again, and let's refresh the page. The refresh button is this one right here, and when I click on it, it's going to reload the web page. So let's see what happens. I'm going to click, and then it changes the color and the cats fall from the sky again. Okay? If I press it again, it changes the color and then the cats start falling again. So, if you ever have a problem on your page, like you're playing a game and then it freezes, you can press refresh and it will start over from the beginning. Okay? That's a very useful button. How about the next one? Tabs. Who knows what a tab is? Alright, if you said this, these things are tabs. So the tabs let us switch between different websites, okay? So, if I click here, this is the Cat Bounce tab, and it will take us to the Cat Bounce website. If I click here, we can go to Google Docs. If I click the plus sign, we can make a new tab, okay? So, tabs let us go to different websites that are open very easily and quickly. The next one I want to show you is settings. Settings let you change things in your web browser, okay? The button for settings is right here. If you click it, you'll see many options of things you can do. You can open a new tab, a new window. You can look at your history of different places that you went. You can find your downloads, etc. There's a lot to do in settings, okay? But you will learn more about that later. The next one I want to show you is minimize. Everyone say minimize. Minimize is this button right here. Who knows what this button does? Okay, I'll show you. When we click it, it makes it go away. But it didn't actually go away, it just took it down to the taskbar. So if I click it again, right here, it will open. If I click minimize, it shrinks it down to the taskbar. Alright, the next one. Maximize. What do you think maximize does? All right, maximize is the next button, right next to minimize, okay? But first we need to make it a little smaller. So if our web browser is small, and then we go to this button and click maximize, it makes it bigger. So if you ever want it to take the full size of the screen, click on maximize. The last one I want to show you is close. Where is the close button? You could probably guess it is right here, right next to maximize, okay? It's the red button. And what does close do? I bet you guessed it. It will close everything. So when you are finished and you want to quit and close your web browser, you can click close and it will go away. Okay? I hope that is clear for everybody and you learned a little something about how to use a web browser. Now, let's look at our assignment. Here is your worksheet, Web Browser Basics. For part 1, I want you to write the letter of the correct word in the boxes that point to each part of the web page. Okay, so if you look at this picture here, you see a picture of the Google web page, and there are a lot of boxes that point to different parts. Okay? In the word bank, you guys can see all of the answers. So the first one, A, is address bar. What I want you to do is find the address bar and then write A in the correct box. Okay, I'll do the first one for you. So this one right here is the address bar and it's pointing to this box. You would want to write A right here. Okay? For the rest, I will leave it up to you. For part 2, I want you to open a web browser and practice opening websites in the list below. Okay, I'm talking about this list of websites. So first I want you to open a web browser. Remember, you can click here, you can go to the search box, or you can go on the picture. You can click on one of these options to open. Okay? Then, I want you to try your best to get to the website all by yourself, without help from your parents. I want to see if you can do this alone, right? If you try a few times and you can't do it, if you are having trouble, ask your parents to show you how and try again. Okay? If you really like a website, right? If you try one of these and you love it, try to make a bookmark so you can go back to the website later. Okay? So I already showed you guys how to do this for abcya.com, right? I open the web browser and then I type in abcya.com and I press enter and it will take me to the website. This is what I want you guys to practice. I want you guys to practice going to different websites. Okay? Finally, you guys can see the answers to last week's worksheet down here. Okay? So for the saving files worksheet, you guys can find all of the answers down here. Alright, I hope you guys learned something about how to use a web browser. I hope you guys get lots of practice, and I look forward to seeing you in July. Thank you very much, and see you guys later.